Welcome to Bird English.
Hi Jane, how are you?
Bella, you have to come to my birthday party.
Of course I will, Dome. I never forget your birthday, Jane.
Bring your husband also.
He is very boring. He does not like parties.
All right, Bella. See you at the party. Bye.
Bye, Jane. I will have to buy a new dress for Jane's birthday party. She is so rich. I can't look poor in her party.
In the night, Harry comes home.
Honey, I have an early shift tomorrow. I am going to sleep.
Harry, please give me $500. I need to buy a new dress for my friend's birthday party.
$500 is a lot of money, Bella. If you want, I can give you $100.
She is very rich, Harry. I can't wear my old dress in her party.
She may be rich, but I am just a waiter at a hotel.
You never have money for me and you always make excuses. I know you are saving money.
I am saving money to open our own cafe. Then we will have a lot of money.
You always give money to Alice.
Alice is my sister, dear. I give money for her education only.
Keep your money, Harry. You are a very bad husband.
Bella, please give me breakfast. I am going to hotel.
I am going to my mother's house. Eat from canteen today.
Do you need bus fare, dear?
Keep your bus fare with you. I am going by taxi.
Bella, my darling, how are you?
Not well, Roan. My cheap husband is bothering me.
Why is he troubling you? You are such a beautiful lady.
My best friend's birthday is coming and he is not giving me $500.
Just $500? I will give you $1,000. Let us go to the bedroom.
Oh, thank you, Roan. You are a sweetheart. Let's go.
Hello, Alice, my sister. How are you?
I am fine, brother. How is Bella?
Bella is angry with me. She asked for $500, but I did not give her.
Brother, she is your wife. You should give her the money.
What about your college and hostel fees?
Don't worry. I will get a part-time job here. You please take care of Bella.
You are very hard working, Alice. God bless you. Take care.
You are also hard-working, brother. Take care and say hi to Bella from me.
Now I can give $500 to Bella. She will be very happy.
I should get going. It's time for Harry to come home. Bye.
Bye and come back soon.
We will meet soon.
Bella comes home.
Bella, how is your mother?
What mother?
You went to see your mother, Bella.
Oh yeah. My mother. She is fine.
Good. Listen, Bella, I am sorry. We will go to the mall. You can buy any dress, dear. Just forgive me.
I will buy this one, Harry.
Okay, honey. I am going to pay at the counter.
He is so stupid. Now I have $1,000 and a new dress.
Wow, Bella, you look great.
Thanks. I am going to Jane's party. I will be late.
Okay, honey. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Jane.
Thank you, Bella. You look amazing. Come on, enjoy the party. Bella, meet my friend Charlie. Charlie, this is Bella.
You are looking very beautiful, Bella.
You are also very handsome, Charlie. Wow, he is so handsome. I must ask him out. Let us meet tomorrow at the mall. We will have coffee.
I would love to have coffee with you.
I must leave now, Jane. Bye.
Thanks for coming, Bella. See you soon.
I am so excited to meet Charlie. He is so amazing. And look at him. He is so fat and ugly.
Bella, today is my holiday. Let us spend some time together.
I am going to meet my mother.
Okay, let us go to your mother's house.
She is really sick. She's in the hospital. I don't want to take you there. There are germs in hospital. You stay here.
No, I will come with you. It's okay.
What should I do now? I have to meet Charlie. Honey, why don't you go and meet your dad today? You have not met your dad in a long time.
Oh yes. I should go to him. You care about my family so much, Bella.
Yes. Now go, please. Idiot, wasted my time.
Bella, you are late. Where were you?
My stupid husband made me late.
Why don't you leave him?
He is saving money to buy a new cafe. Once I get him to write the cafe in my name, I will leave him.
You are very naughty, Bella. I like naughty girls.
How are you, Dad?
I am fine, son. Where is Bella?
She went to see her mother.
Tomorrow is your birthday, Harry.
Yes, Dad. Bella must be planning a surprise party for me. You should come.
Of course, my son. I will come tomorrow to your house.
Charlie, why don't you come to my house tomorrow? My husband will be at work. We will spend time alone.
That's a great idea. I will definitely come. What is your address?
House number 96, Washington Street.
I will be there.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
How is your mother?
She is fine. I am going to sleep. Good night.
Good night, sweetie. I know she is planning a surprise birthday party tomorrow. Bella is the best wife in the world.
I will have so much fun with Charlie tomorrow. We will be alone for first time.
Bella, I am off to work. Bye.
Bye, dear.
I hope your husband will not come soon.
He will come in the night. We have all day. Let me show you the bedroom.
Let's go.
This is my bedroom.
Harry, Bella, where are you? Anybody home?
Who is this? Whose voice is this?
I think it's Harry's father. He never comes here.
I think Bella is inside. Who is he, Bella? Why is he in your bedroom? Bella, who is he? Are you having an affair with him? That too, when today is Harry's birthday. And you, mister, I will teach you a lesson. You are cheating my son. I will take you to the police.
How dare you slap me, old man?
happened? Why is he not getting up?
Let me check. He is not breathing. He is dead.
Oh, my God. This can't happen. What are we going to do?
Don't worry, Bella. We will make a plan. Now, listen. He was saying today is your husband's birthday.
Yes, today is his birthday. How can I forget? I am such an idiot.
Don't worry. Just listen. I will hide his body in the attic upstairs. I will hide his body in. You prepare for the birthday party.
Okay. Then what?
Then I will come in the night when Harry is asleep. I will throw his body in the jumble.
Why don't you throw his body now?
Bella, look outside. It is still day. Somebody can see me. It will be easy in the night.
Okay, I get it. Let's take him in the attic upstairs.
Now, just relax. Go and prepare for the party. I will come in the night when Harry is asleep. Understand?
Yes, I understand.
Bella goes to prepare for the party and Charlie goes home. In the night, Harry comes home.
Brother, happy birthday.
Alice. My dear sister, you came.
Yes. Bella called everybody and invited us for the party.
Happy birthday, my sweet husband.
Thank you, Bella, for such a lovely surprise. You are the best wife ever. Where is Dad? He said he will come. I should call him. He is not picking.
Maybe he forgot, dear. He is getting old. He must be sleeping by now. Come on, now. Cut the cake. Everybody is waiting.
Yes, brother. Come on. Let us enjoy the party. I must go now, brother. Nice party, Bella. Bye.
Bye, Alice. Take care. I'm going to sleep now. I have an early shift tomorrow.
Harry is asleep. You can come now.
Okay, I'm coming. Help me to put it in my car. Don't worry, go to sleep now. I will take care of the body.
I hope nobody knows about this. This is all because of this stupid man's birthday.
This is the best place to dispose him. Nobody will ever know. Goodbye, old man.
Charlie. Have you done that thing?
Yeah, I have done it. Let us meet at the mall.
Okay. I am coming. Charlie. I am scared. I don't know why, but I am scared.
Don't be a fool, Bella. He just fell on the ground and died. That's it.
What if the police comes?
There's no proof. Nobody saw me. Just relax.
But what happens when Harry finds out his dad is missing?
We will think about it when that happens. Just act natural and be relaxed. Go home and cook some nice meal for your husband.
Okay, Charlie. Bye. What should I make today?
Hi, Bella.
Hi, Roan.
Why you stopped calling me? I want to meet you. Can you come over?
Roan, I am with Charlie now and you are getting old anyway. So stop calling me.
So when you wanted money, you come to me. Now he's giving you money. You forget me.
Listen to me, old man. I don't want anything to do with you. So get lost. Understand?
Bella, I will teach you a lesson you will never forget. I will take revenge.
Charlie, I am stressed. Harry will soon know his dad is missing.
Then let us go to Hawaii for a few days. Tell your husband you are going to live with Mother. We will have fun on the beach.
Wow, Charlie. Nice plan. I am going to pack my stuff.
See you at the airport in 2 hours.
Harry would never take me out. But Charlie, my love is taking me. Hawaii flying high. I am coming. Hawaii. Hawaii flying high. I am coming. Hawaii.
Simon, I have a job for you. Find out everything about Charlie Bella.
Okay, boss.
Harry dear, I am going to see my mother.
Please take care of her.
She is very sick. I will live with her for a few days.
Okay, dear. I hope she gets well soon.
Such a loser. He believes everything I say.
Such an idiot.
I am so happy. I love vacations.
Brother, I am at Dad's house. He is not here. He is not here.
Have you tried calling him?
He is not picking his phone. I think he is missing.
Okay, Alice, I am coming.
Dad is missing. I am getting nervous. Brother.
Don't worry, Alice. Let us go to the police. Officer, I cannot find my father.
You should ask your mother who is your father.
No, officer. My father is missing.
Give me his name and send me his photo.
Sent, sir.
Now go home. We will inform you. Next day.
Today is my holiday. I should clean the attic upstairs. This is very dirty. This will take a lot of time. What is this? A phone. This is my dad's phone. What is it doing here? How it came here? My dad never came in the attic. I should ask Bella. Maybe she knows about it. Hello. Bella. How is your mother?
She's fine. What do you want, Harry?
My dad is missing, dear. I have filed a police complaint.
Oh my God. I hope he is fine.
Bella, I want to ask you something. I found my dad's phone in the attic. Do you know anything about it?
Are you sure it is your dad's phone?
Yes, dear, I am sure. My dad's phone.
I don't know anything about it, dear.
Okay, Bella, you take care of your mother. I will call later.
Oh my God. Charlie, we are in big trouble.
What happened, Bella?
Harry filed a police complaint. And he found his father's phone in the attic.
It must have fell when we put his body there.
What should we do now, Charlie?
Nobody knows the body is in the jungle. We have to make some plan.
Yes, Simon.
Charlie and Bella killed Harry's father and hide the body in jungle.
Are you sure?
Yes, boss. I heard them saying it.
Excellent job, Simon. Excellent. Now I have to go somewhere. Are you Harry?
Yes. Mister, who are you?
I have to tell you something about your wife.
Who are you? What do you want?
Harry, listen to me carefully. Your wife is having an affair.
How dare you talk about my wife like this? Get out of here.
I knew you will not believe me. Tell me, where is your wife now?
She is at her mother's house. Her mother is sick.
Why don't you go to her mother's house and check if she is there or not?
I believe my wife. She is at her mother's house. I will not go anywhere.
Just see these pictures of her I have sent you.
Where did you get these pictures?
She is having fun with a guy named Charlie in Hawaii.
She can't do this to me. She is a good wife.
Why don't you go to her mother's house to check?
Okay, I will go. But if find her there, I will beat you.
I will wait for you here only. Go and check her mother's house.
Sir, do you want anything? Tea, coffee, burger, sandwich?
No, thank you.
Then please get out of here. Sir, this is a hotel and not a park.
Charlie, who is he?
Bella, this man is following us. He was in our room, hiding under the bed.
What? He was under the bed.
Yes, I have his phone. He is sending our photos to someone named Roan.
Roan? Do you work for Roan Gibbs?
Who is Roan Gibbs?
Roan was my boyfriend before you. Why are you sending him our details? What have you told him?
I have told him you have killed Harry's father and hide his body in the jungle. That's it. Please don't kill me.
Hello, Bella.
Why are you doing this? Roan, our relationship is over. Don't you understand?
You should worry about yourself. Your husband is going to your mother's house to check if you are there. Good luck.
Oh my God. I am in trouble. Harry is going to my mother's house to check if I am there.
Don't worry. Let's make a plan. Bella, call your mother and ask her to come here quickly.
Why?
Just do as I say. Ask her to come here as soon as possible.
Okay. Okay.
I am going to make a phone call.
Who are you calling?
Trust me and do as I say. Hurry up.
All right. Hello. Mom.
Bella, my child. How are you?
Mom, I am in trouble. Help me. Please come to Hawaii right now.
Why? What happened?
Mom, there is on time to explain. Just come here.
Okay. I am leaving right now.
Hello, Peter.
Charlie, my buddy, how are you?
I am fine. Listen, Peter, I have a job for you.
Sure, tell me. I will do it.
Now listen carefully. Deep in the jungle, I have hidden a body. Take it and throw it in the lake.
Okay, buddy. I am going right now.
I cannot believe Bella is cheating on me. This can't happen. But those pictures Roan showed me. No. I think they were fake.
I am at the airport. It's a 1-hour flight.
That's good, Mom.
Okay, dear. See you soon.
Bella. She is not at home. Roan was right. Nobody is here. Hello, Bella. Where are you?
Honey, I have brought my mother here to Hawaii. Where are you?
Why? You are with your mother in Hawaii?
Yes, dear. My mother and I came to Hawaii for a short vacation. You should come here.
I can't, dear.
Why you can't come? Just take a flight and come. My mother wants to meet you. Come soon. We are waiting.
I should go and check if her mother is there or not.
Thank you for coming, Mom.
Why you called me, dear?
My husband thinks I am with you. But I was with my boyfriend.
You can't handle one affair. That is a shame. When your father was alive, I was having 5 affairs at one time.
Harry is on his way. Please handle it carefully.
Sure. I can handle.
Bella. I have reached Hawaii. What is your hotel name?
Harry, we are in Hotel Blue Moon.
Okay, I am coming.
Harry, my love. You came.
Yes, dear.
I am going to order food for us.
Hello, Harry, my boy. How are you?
I am fine, Mother. How is your health?
I am fine, son. I am sorry. I brought Bella to Hawaii.
It is okay, Mother. You two can go anywhere. I don't mind. Excuse me, Mom. I have to make a phone call. Roan, you stupid idiot man. My wife and her mother are in Hawaii. I am here with them. If you talk nonsense about my wife, I will kill you.
What? How can this happen?
Never call me again.
How can this happen? This Bella is very clever, but I have one more secret of her. Hello, officer. I have some information about Harry's missing father.
I am listening. Please tell.
Harry's father's body is in the jungle. He was killed by Bella and Charlie.
Are you sure? What is your name?
My name is Roan Gibbs. I am sure. If you don't find his body there, you can arrest me.
Thank you for the information. Come on, guys. We have to search the jungle. Search the whole jungle. We have to find the body.
Have you done the job, Peter?
Yeah, buddy. I went into the jungle, took the body, and threw the body in the lake. Nobody will find him ever.
Nice job, Peter. Nice job.
We searched the whole jungle, but did not find the body. Roan lied to us.
Welcome, officer. I hope you found the body.
You stupid man. We searched the whole jungle. We did not find his body.
This is not possible.
You are under arrest for giving false information.
Bella, I will kill. Bella, I will kill.
Honey, we are having so much fun here. It is great.
Yes, dear. We should take more vacations.
Next time we will go to Paris. I want to see Paris.
Sure. Next time we will go to Paris. She is such a good wife. I should never doubt her. Bella is so faithful to me. Oh, I love my wife.
Stupid Harry. He will never know about my affair or how we killed his father.
Honey, we have to go back home now. I have to join my duty.
Okay, dear, let us go back home.
Brother, did you find out anything about Dad?
No, Alice. I was in Hawaii. I am coming back home now.
Okay, brother, I am going to the police station. I will inform you.
Bella, my dad is still missing. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry, dear. I know he will come back soon.
Officer, did you find my father?
No, we have not. We are still looking for your father.
It has been more than a week and still you cannot find my father.
If you are in a hurry, then I can become your father. Just take permission from your mother. You can talk to that idiot.
Which idiot?
He said your father's body is in the jungle. We did not find anything, so we arrested him.
Who said my father's body in jungle?
His name is Roan. Come with me.
Bella, what are you doing?
Thinking about you, my Charlie.
Then let us meet at the mall.
Okay, I am coming.
Now, Roan is in jail and dead body is in the lake.
Nobody will ever find him.
And Harry has no doubt on you. He still thinks you are a good wife.
In fact, he is gone to buy the new cafe. Soon it will be mine.
Oh, Bella, you are so bad.
Of course, I am the bad wife. And I enjoy it. Cheers to our victory.
I am Alice. What do you know about my father?
Your father was killed by Bella and her boyfriend Charlie. They throw him in the jungle.
Bella is not having an affair. You are wrong, mister. And my father is missing. He is not dead.
Just do one thing. Start following Bella. She will definitely go to meet Charlie. You will know everything.
How do you know all about Bella?
Because I was her boyfriend before she met Charlie.
All right, I will follow her. I have to know the truth.
Be careful. Bella and Charlie are very dangerous.
Sir, this is the cafe. Do you like it?
I love it. I will buy this. You start the paperwork. I will name it Bella's Cafe.
Please come next week. It will be ready, sir.
Bella, my darling, next week you will become owner of a cafe. We will name it Bella's Cafe.
Oh, thank you so much, Harry. You are the best husband ever. I love you, my dear.
I should thank you for being such a nice wife.
Harry, do you have that much money to buy a cafe?
I have put all my life savings in this cafe. It is my gift to you, dear.
That is so sweet, Harry. I love you, sweetie.
Rosie, you have a car.
Yes, Alice. Why?
I have to follow Bella. She may be having an affair.
Bella. Your brother's wife. She is having an affair.
I don't know. We have to follow her to know the truth.
When will we start following her?
We will start from tomorrow morning.
Okay, I will bring my car.
Charlie, I have a good news to tell you.
What is the good news? Please tell.
No. I have to meet and tell you. Come to the mall.
Bella, I am bored of the mall. Can we meet somewhere else?
Okay, then let us meet at Harry's father's house. Nobody is there.
That is a good idea. He will never disturb us again.
Let us meet there.
It keep following her.
Let us go inside. I am dying to tell you the good news.
Yes, let's go in.
I think they have gone inside this house.
But why would Bella go inside this house? Rose, this is my father's house.
Let us go inside.
But we have to be very careful.
Okay, let's go.
Bella, please tell me the good news.
Harry is buying the cafe for me. I will be owner of the cafe.
Wow, we will soon sell it and run away. I know you want to live in Paris.
Yes, Charlie. I love Paris. Also, I know sooner or later the police will ask questions about Harry's father.
Don't worry, Bella. His body is in the lake. Nobody can find him.
I hope so, dear.
Let us go to the bedroom.
Sure. Let's go.
Oh my God, Rose. Bella killed my father. I cannot believe it.
Let us tell your brother. Then we will go to the police with him.
Yes, let us go. He must be at the hotel.
Alice, what are you doing here?
Brother, Bella is having an affair. I saw her.
Alice, what are you saying?
She was in Dad's house with somebody named Charlie. They killed our father.
Bella is not having an affair. You are wrong.
Ask Rose. She was there. She heard them too.
We were following them. They threw your father's body in the lake.
Alice, why are you following Bella?
There is a man named Ron. He told me he was Bella's ex-boyfriend.
Ron, that stupid idiot. Listen, Alice, go to your hostel and study. No more following anybody.
Brother, please believe me. She is very dangerous.
Your exams are coming, Alice. That is more dangerous. You two just go and study. No more discussion.
You have to see her reality. Don't trust her blindly.
Just go and study. Go now. No more discussion. Bella, did you go to my father's house today?
How do you know?
Were you with a guy named Charlie?
How do you know this? You were following me.
Why did you go to my father's house?
Oh, that. Harry, my love. Charlie is my friend. He is helping me to find your father. I know you are very upset because your father is missing.
Stupid Alice. She said you are having an affair with that Charlie.
So Alice was following me. I think she knows everything. I have to be careful now. Oh dear. Alice is a little girl. Forgive her, please. Charlie is just friend. He want to help me find your father.
I know you are trying to help, sweetie.
Rose, what should I do now? My brother does not believe me.
Alice, why don't we go to the police? The police can help us.
How? We don't have any proof.
Yes, but Charlie said the body is in the lake. So if we tell the police, they will search the lake and find the body.
Good idea, Rose. Let us go to the police.
Congratulations, sir and madam. This cafe is yours now.
Bella, this was my dream to gift you a restaurant. Here it is, my dear.
Oh, Harry. You are such a nice husband. This is the best gift ever. Dear.
Let us go out and celebrate.
Dear, I want to tell this to my mother. I will come tonight and then we will celebrate.
Yeah, sure, dear. Tell your mother to come and eat here someday. Go and enjoy.
Bye, my love. See you tonight.
Sir, please help me. My father is in the lake.
Why is he swimming there?
Sir, Charlie and Bella killed him and throw his body in the lake.
How do you know?
I heard her saying it. Please, sir, check in the lake.
Please help her, sir.
Okay. But if we do not find the body in the lake, I will lock you up with Roan.
Sure, sir, let us go quickly. I know he is there.
Charlie, here are the restaurant papers. Sell it quickly.
Okay, dear. I have a businessman friend. He is ready to buy it tomorrow.
Good, we have to be careful now. And we need to make our plan to run away to Paris.
I will buy the tickets to Paris. Tomorrow, I will sell the cafe. We will run away tomorrow.
We will meet at your friend Peter's house. We will give him some money. After all, he helped us to throw the body in the lake.
Okay, honey. We will meet tomorrow at Peter's house.
Where is the lake? I cannot see the lake. You are joking with me. I will arrest you girls.
Sir, the lake is the side.
Oh, it's here. Julius will go inside to find the body.
The body, sir. It was tied to a rock with rope. Whoever has done it is very smart.
Dad. Officer, do you need more proofs? Now arrest Bella and Charlie.
Yes, yes. Let us go and arrest Bella and Charlie. Sally, you take the body.
Yes, sir.
And Julius, you go and arrest Charlie.
Yes, sir.
And don't call them. Otherwise, they will know we are coming. Now come on, let us go.
Mr. Sampson, did you like the cafe?
Yes, Charlie, I like it. It is lovely.
Do you have money ready?
Yes, I have the cash ready in my car.
Here are the restaurant papers signed by the owner, Bella.
Good deal. Charlie, let me give the money to you from my car. Come on.
Let us go. Great deal, Mr. Sampson. Enjoy.
You too. Enjoy, Charlie.
Bella, good news. I have sold the cafe.
And the money?
I have the money also. Come to Peter's house. I'm also reaching there.
Great. I am coming.
Let us go inside and arrest her.
She is not here. She may be in the bedroom. Looks like she has run away.
Let me call Julius. He must have arrested Charlie. Hello, Julius. Have you arrested Charlie?
No, sir. Nobody is here.
They are not at Charlie's house. Where can they go?
Charlie was talking of selling the cafe. Maybe they are there.
Good idea, Rose. Let us go, sir.
Okay, let's go.
What would you like to eat, sir?
I want Charlie.
Sorry, sir. We don't serve Charlie. We have burgers, pizzas, and soft drinks.
You fool. Where is Charlie?
Oh, sir. Charlie sold me the cafe. I bought it.
Where did he go?
I don't know, sir.
Sir, let us go to Harry. Maybe he knows something.
Okay, let us go.
My love, our plan is a success. Money is in my car and I have the tickets ready.
Oh, my love. Charlie, you have done it. We will start a new life in Paris.
Yes, dear, only you and me.
And thank you, Peter, for getting rid of Harry's father.
You are welcome. I would do anything for my friend Charlie.
Thanks, Peter. Bella, let us go to the airport. Hurry up.
There is one thing I have to do before we go.
Harry, we found your father's body. I am sorry for your loss.
Alice, is this true?
Yes, brother. I saw his body.
We are looking for Bella and Charlie. We think they have killed him.
I don't think Bella can kill my father. Maybe he jumped in the lake.
Brother, you have to stop loving her blindly and see the facts. She is having an affair and she killed our father. Why can't you see the truth?
Harry, your sister is right.
She has sold the cafe you bought for her. Go and check for yourself.
I will go and check. But if you are wrong, I will never talk to you.
Let us have a drink for my stupid husband. Thanks to him, I have so much money today.
He is the most stupid man on this planet.
Let us drink to the stupid man.
Cheers. Harry is a fool, right? But you two are also fools for trusting me. Idiots. Hello, officer.
Bella, where are you?
Listen carefully. Charlie and Peter killed Harry's father. They are at Peter's house. If you want to arrest them, come soon. Bye.
Bella, dear, can you send Peter's address?
I have already sent you.
Thank you so much. You are very kind. Let us go. She is at Peter's house and Charlie is there too.
I have to leave my phone here. Sorry, Charlie, I will make a new boyfriend. I was getting bored of you. Goodbye.
They are unconscious. Where is Bella?
She is not here. She said she will go to Paris with Charlie. Maybe she is at the airport.
I will call the airport security. She will not be able to run away. Officer, I am Inspector Jack. Arrest a woman named Bella. I am sending you her picture.
Stupid idiots. They are looking for me at the airport. I am going to Hawaii by car. I will go to Paris after a few days.
Welcome, sir. What would you like to have? This is my cafe. I want my cafe back. Sorry, sir. This is my cafe. I bought it from my friend Charlie. Who is Charlie to sell it? This is my wife Bella's cafe. I bought it for her. Here are the documents signed by Bella. This cannot happen. Let me call her. Her phone is switched off. I am going now. But I will come back with the police to arrest you. Sir, come back with military. I don't care. I have legally bought it.
The police is everywhere. Airports and hotels are unsafe for me. My friend Susie's house is safe place for me. I should stay here for a few days.
Bella, what a surprise. How are you?
I am fine, Susie, how are you?
I am fine too. How come you are in Hawaii?
Susie, I had a fight with my husband. I left his house for a few days. So I need to stay at your place for a while. If you don't mind.
Sure. Bella, you are welcome. Meet my husband, Marcus.
Hello, Marcus.
Nice to meet you, Bella.
Nice to meet you, Marcus.
Sir, how will you catch Bella now?
I have sent her picture to all the police stations. We are trying our best.
Sir, I think she is still in the country. Otherwise, how come she did not go to the airport?
We are looking for her. Police is following her mother also. Now please excuse me. I have to find Mrs. Simpson's missing dog.
Just 2-3 days. Then I will leave the country.
Bella, do you need anything?
Please give me some clothes. I have not brought any clothes.
But if you have not brought any clothes, then what is in your bag?
Well, that is just some old stuff, you know. Useless.
She is lying, of course. But why? What is in her bag?
What happened? Susie.
I just thought you might like to meet my mother. She lives nearby. She is getting old. I have to take care of her.
Yes, please let us go and meet her.
Great. Let me get you some nice clothes.
Can I leave my money here? I think I can. They seem nice. I can take advantage of them for a few days.
Honey, we are going to meet my mother. We will be back by evening.
Okay, dear. You girls enjoy.
Oh, I forgot the car keys. Please wait here.
No problem.
Marcus, listen to me.
What happened, dear?
You have to check Bella's bag. I hope she is not carrying anything illegal. I don't want the police trouble.
I don't understand. Why? What happened?
Just check her bag and see what is in there. Goodbye.
Brother. Please don't be sad. This is all Bella's fault. Why are you getting upset?
I am sorry, Alice. I am such a fool. I did not believe you. Please forgive me.
It is okay, brother. I don't mind.
What am I going to do now? I loved her so much and she run away. Why, Alice? Why?
You can't force someone to love you. If she run away, that is her fault. If she ran away, that is her fault. You have to look at positives. You still have your health, your job, and this house.
Hello, Mother. How are you?
Why? What happened to me?
Don't worry. She forgets everything. She is getting old.
Hi, Mom.
Marcus, you are looking like a girl. What happened?
Let me check this bag. Oh my God, so much money.
Let us watch that movie again, where the big ship sinks.
Okay, Mom, I will play it. She likes Titanic a lot. She thinks she is the old lady in it.
Thank God she does not think herself as the Terminator.
Look, Marcus, this in me. I played the role of Rose. I am in the movie.
I don't think it's you.
Oh, you are jealous of my success.
If I take this money to the casino, I can double the money. Then I will put her money back in her bag. Bella will never know. I know I can double it. I am very good at poker. I can even triple it. Yes, I should take it before they come.
Look at those beautiful sketches. I had a boyfriend. He used to make my sketches.
Mom, please.
I am winning. I should bet it all. Today is my lucky.
Honey, I think the ship is about to sink.
Oh my God. I don't believe it. I am in big trouble. I lost all her money. That Bella will kill me. What should I do? I can't go home like this.
The movie is over. Mom, we are going now. Your dinner is in the refrigerator.
Bye, Susie. Bye, Marcus. Come again.
I hope you didn't get bored at my mother's house.
No, no. I enjoyed there. Susie.
You go and rest. I will make you some tea.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Where is my money? This cannot happen. Susie. Susie, where's my money?
What money? Bella, what are you talking about?
You know very well where is my money. Where is your husband?
My husband is not a thief. Bella, let me call him.
Susie is calling. She must have known about the money. I can't pick up her phone. Oh my God. She will kill me.
He is not picking up. Maybe he is out with his friends.
He is out spending my money.
He is not a thief. Bella, maybe there has been a robbery. I should call the police.
Yes, yes, call the police. I want my money back.
Yes, madam. What seems to be the problem?
Officer. Her husband stole my money. Now he is gone.
Sir, he is not picking his phone, but he has not stolen her money for sure.
She is lying. Sir.
Excuse me, sir. One moment, please.
Yes, Cindy. What is the matter?
Sir, she is Bella. She is wanted in Springfield murder. Inspector Jack has sent her picture all over the country. Here it is.
Yes, that is her photo. Bella, you are under arrest.
Why? What happened? They stole my money. Why are you arresting me?
Tell this to Inspector Jack from Springfields.
Oh my God. Why did I call the police? Why did I make such a silly mistake? I trusted you, Susie. I think one cannot trust anybody in today's world.
Harry. Good news. Hawaii police has arrested Bella. She will be here in my custody tomorrow.
Can I come tomorrow and meet her, officer?
Yes, you can.
Why, Bella? Why you did all this?
Harry, you are the perfect husband. Everything is my fault.
If something was missing, you should have told me.
I always wanted more. I didn't realize I already had everything. Please forgive me.
I can't. I can never forgive you.